Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric, a 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. And this is Janelle's equipment from Wisconsin. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now this unit has a transmit issue, and we want to troubleshoot the main PC board of the handset. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the handset if you've never seen one of these units open. That gives you a look at the main PC board. And we want to get a start on this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from the receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'm going to release it, press it one more time, and release it. There is an issue. This is a cordless telephone, and the RF power radio frequency can get into the amplifier and cause a static sensation or a noise, and we'll show you that during the final checkout. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the RF power. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we can do is go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll show you the interference that we're talking about. We're going to dial a 2, and that's going to cause the dial tone to go away, and we'll show you the RF power. We'll go ahead and hang the unit up. Now what we can do is press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, August 22nd. The current time, 5:22 p.m. and the temperature, 73 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Janelle and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.